Ramadan Mubarak. Welcome to Ramadan Tips with Moodi. What does a typical evening or day of fasting look like when it comes to food? Portion control, how many meals? These are common questions that we all have. I like to start with a very small meal, not a typically large meal, nothing that's going to interrupt my ability to worship. Dinner plate, half the dinner plate, salad, veg. You got the other half, a quarter protein and a quarter carbs. I don't recommend cutting carbohydrates. The body loves to use glycogen, stored carbohydrates, as a fuel source. Our brain may be made out of fat, but it uses carbohydrates for energy. Then what I do is, after Tarawih prayer, for example, I will have another meal, but it'll be a bit more substantial in size. I always start with the salad and veg because it digests quicker. You don't get the fermenting in the stomach and the digestive problems afterwards. The only thing I have after that is my suhoor meal, which is typically the smoothie that I have mentioned to you earlier. The focus of hydration, I urge you to focus on hydration. Do not cut out water or start to reduce water in place of eating. Add some electrolytes to your water. I like to add hydrolyte to every bottle of water that I do drink, and sip your water. The way it comes in is the way it goes out. So if you're drinking or sculling water sporadically, then that's what's going to happen with regards to the way it exits your body. So sip water slowly throughout the entire evening until you go to sleep, and have a little bit more at your suhoor time, and inshallah you'll notice the difference and you'll reap the rewards.